I'm Mike Bernasconi of Neutra-Safe Corp, and I'm here to show you our complete line of condensate neutralizing products. With multiple size neutralizers and neutralizing pumps able to handle up to 6 million BTU of appliance input, we are sure to have the right size neutralizer for any residential or commercial condensing appliance. We provide 6 sizes of our tube-style condensate neutralizers. All of our tube-style neutralizers are clear for visual inspection and feature our patented integrated unions, allowing for quick and easy installation. They also allow you to maintain and recharge without tools or disturbing any of the surrounding piping. Our smallest 2-inch tube neutralizer, the CN2-220, handles up to 220,000 BTUs of appliance input, making it a perfect fit for most residential condensing appliances. The smallest size neutralizer is also available for vertical installation with the CN2-220V model. The vertical unit has a stainless steel screen to hold the media fill sac in place. The CN2-220 and the CN2-220V are both available in different variations depending on your desired fittings. Our largest 2-inch tube neutralizer is the CN2-300, which has a slightly higher guideline capacity of up to 300,000 BTUs of appliance input. All of our 2-inch tube neutralizers come with custom mounting clamps. Next, we have our 4-inch tube-style neutralizers for larger appliances. The CN4-600 has a guideline capacity of up to 600,000 BTUs of appliance input. The CN4-850 has a guideline capacity of up to 850,000 BTUs of appliance input. The CN4-1200 has a guideline capacity of up to 1.2 million BTUs of appliance input. And lastly, the CN4-2000 has a guideline capacity of up to 2 million BTUs of appliance input. For large-size condensing appliances up to 6 million BTUs of input, we have our tray and tank neutralizers. Our CN5TR tray, featuring a clear removable lid and patent-pending serpentine flow, is bidirectional, contains 3 media-filled sacs, and has a guideline capacity of up to 5 million BTUs of appliance input. Our CN6T tank has a guideline capacity of up to 6 million BTUs of appliance input. It has a large cap which can be removed for visual inspection and recharging. If your application requires a condensate pump, we have 2 neutralizing condensate pumps available, which will handle up to 6 million BTUs of appliance input and contain a neutralizer within the pump. Our NSP50 neutralizing condensate pump has a guideline capacity of up to 500,000 BTUs of appliance input and features a little giant BCMA 20 ULS pump and our patent-pending serpentine flow chamber with a snap-on clear cover. Our NSP600 neutralizing condensate pump has a guideline capacity of 6 million BTUs of appliance input and features an industrial diaphragm pump motor with high head. All of our neutralizers have a recharge reminder sticker where you can go to our website and register your product and get a reminder when it's time to recharge. All models also have a model-specific recharge kit available. Our hydronic and solar system feeder features a digital control which enables you to set the cut-in and cut-out pressures independently. It is good for up to 50 pounds of system pressure and also has a 60-pound overload limit. It features an industrial pump capable of providing 50 pounds of system pressure and also has a 60-pound safety limit switch. Choose Neutra-Safe and you'll see the difference is clear. All of our products are available through your local plumbing and heating distributor. Please visit our website at www.neutrasafe.com. Thank you.